We are hoping and wishing by the grace of Allah, and I can see the sign, that inshallah, 7th January 2025, NDC will form the next government. And if we form the next government, I know that there are a lot of things that our Zongos are interested in, and I can assure you that you will not be left behind. We will work on all the matters of concern to you. All the things that we mentioned in our manifesto, we will work on them to make sure that they come to fruition.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.